Hello everybody, it's me Robin from RBN Solutions. Welcome to RBN Solutions. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how you can change has been added to your cart text on WooCommerce. One of my clients wanted to change this text has been added to your cart with this text. So we are going to use this text instead of this text. When we add a product in cart, then there will show a message that your product name and then has been added to your cart. If you see here, this is our product name and then a message has been added to your cart. So we are going to change this and I will show you. This is really very simple tricks. So watch this tutorial from first to last. First we have to go on our WordPress dashboard and then from here you have to hover on appearance and then simply click on theme editor. You will see here, so click on theme editor and then in the right side you will see functions.php. You have to open this, so functions.php, click on there and then scroll down and go at the bottom and then here you have to put some code. I will give those codes in video description and pinned comment, so copy from there very easily. So you have to paste the code here, so we are pasting and then you will see here it has been added by to your cart. So we are going to replace with this text. So copy this text and simply paste here and then update file and we can see file edited successfully. Then go to your front end and simply reload the site. Then you will see the text is changed. Can you see here? This text already changed and replaced with this text. So this is a very simple trick. Hope you enjoyed this video and please make sure you have subscribed our channel. If you subscribe our channel, we will get more inspiration to make more useful tutorials in future. Thank you. Stay connected with RBN Solutions.